Good morning, YouTube. Today we are going for a ride on the motorcycles. We are going to Kushabugwak National Park, and I think it's going to be a fun ride, maybe mixed with a little bit of rain. I don't know what we're going to expect, but I think it's going to be a blast. And today, my boyfriend is going to be coming along. It's going to be awesome.
Yep, bike's already warmed up, at least for the most part.
Gotta get the rest of our stuff and we'll get going. We've packed a bunch of different layers in case it rains, waterproof, everything. Are we ready?
That's the company I drive for.
Oh, really?
I drive that on weekends. They wanted me to drive today, but I'm coming biking.
Where's your trusty penguin?
I don't have my rack. I bought a new bike, right?
Right.
It's a newer bike.
So there's no rack on it.
I don't have a rack on it yet.
Aw.
Peter has a rack, but we didn't have time to put it.
Uh-huh.
But they'll be there next year.
That would be the PEI Bridge. We are in Cap Tuamatin.
Cape Tormentine?
Sure, in English. For you English folks.
Yeah, I mean, it's not the most, prettiest day.
Still nice.
Yeah.
With some great people. And it's not raining. So that's great. A lot of seashells. Beautiful spot.